Good afternoon. My name is Auris Camaño Daza. I am studying efficiency energy management technology. Efficient energy management from the past to the future has evolved from basic conservation practice to sophisticated systems that optimize energy usage. In the past, it focused on sample measure light, turning off light, and employing appliances. The present is characterized by implementation of management system, the use of technologies like LED bulbs, and the placement of all equipment with more efficient alternatives. The future envisions an integration of AI, data analytics, and transmission to renewable energy sources with the goal of achieving sustainability, economic competitiveness, and fueling environmental commitment. Evolution of efficient energy management, past, present, and future. Past, the control and use of energy. In the past, energy management focused on ensuring a basic supply for survival and primitive development. Prehistory. The discovery and control of fire was the first modern energy milestone. It allowed for warm cooking and light. As in society, the use of windmill and watermills and animal power demonstrate an early understanding of optimizing the energy sources available in the environment. Industrial Revolution for the late 18th century where energy consumption increased dramatically. The demand of fossil fuels such as coal and oil for machinery and factories. Efficiency was not a priority. Availability and low cost were paramount. In the mid-19th century, thermodynamics the, enabled the first analysis to improve the efficiency of steam and electricity. Present optimization and sustainability. Today, efficient energy management means global priority driven by concerns about climate change, energy security, and economic prosperity. Energy management system uses of a standard such as international standard organization 50001 supplying control and improving energy consumption in industries, building and home, digitalization and artificial intelligence, efficient technologies, integration of renewable energies, future decarbonization and predictive model. The future of energy management focuses on a completely sustainable, decarbonized and intelligent model. Low carbon economy. The main objective is the transition to a post-fossil economy with massive electrification, focuses on efficiency, uh, advanced technology, greater development of predicting model and the use of AI with humanity will have been used since 2023, and machine learning are expected to proactively anticipate us optimize energy supply and demand. Thank you.